Mix 2 tablespoons of powdered gelatin with cold water and let it bloom. In another container, pour milk along with sugar, instant coffee powder, and crushed biscuit cookies. Place it over low heat and constantly stir until the biscuits dissolve. Be careful not to let the mixture boil. Add a few tablespoons of the liquid to the breakfast cream, mix well, then add it to the mixture. Also, add the bloomed gelatin and mix well. Pour the mixture into a mold and refrigerate for 4 hours until completely set. Afterward, remove from the mold and decorate with grated chocolate. Enjoy!